Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open the Activity Monitor on your Mac. This is basically your Mac's version of Task Manager, where you can see what apps are running, how much memory or CPU they're using, and even force quit apps if needed. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps support the channel. There are two simple ways to access Activity Monitor. The first way is to use Spotlight Search. Just click the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then type Activity Monitor and press Enter. This will open Activity Monitor, where you'll see a list of all current processes. You can switch between tabs like CPU, Memory, Energy, Disk, and Network to check which apps are using the most resources. If something's using too much CPU or memory, you can click on that process, hit the little X icon at the top, and choose to quit or force quit the app. The second way to open it is through Finder. Click on Finder from the dock, then go to the sidebar and select Applications under Favorites. From there, scroll down and open the Utilities folder. Inside, you'll find Activity Monitor. Just double-click to launch it. That's it. Now you can manage your system performance and close apps that are slowing things down. If this video helped, hit the like button, leave a comment if you've got any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Mac tips. See you in the next one.